Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to graph the region in here. So y equals to s. The graph should be like this. S plus y equals to number 4. So we put s go to the right and we have y equals to 4 minus s. So the graph should be like this. And now s equals to number 0, that is about this one. So we need to focus on this region. So we have y and s. So we need to find the intersection in here. So this one that is for y equals to 4 minus s. This one is for y equals to s. So I will put this one go to the right. This one we have 2s. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. So this intersection in here, that is about number 2. So we need to put the bounds in here. About the white, so white should be this one. This one that is about y equals to s. This one that is about y equals to 4 minus s. So this one that is below, this is about the upper. So 4 minus s, that should be about over here. And s, that is gone here. About the s, that is between form 0 and number 2. So that should be form 0 and number 2 in here. So because we don't have white, the integration of s plus 1, that is about y. So 4 minus s, I will put this one gone here, s gone here. So we have 4 minus s minus s. That means 4 minus s minus s. So this one we have 4 minus 2s. And now we need to expand this one. So 4s minus 2s, we have positive 2s. And we put number 4 in here. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 2 gone here, number 0 gone here. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.